guys, welcome to Bubba Bedtime Stories. How are you today? I hope you're doing good. Today, we're going to be reading a book called Pete the Cat's Trip to the Supermarket by Kimberly and James Dean. Before we get into the story, don't forget to like and subscribe. Pete and Bob are hungry after a big day of fun at the park. Dad, can we have a snack? Bob asks. Dad checks the fridge. Dad checks the pantry. Dad checks the secret snack nook. We need to buy groceries, said Dad. Dad starts to make a list. We need milk and eggs and fish and chicken. I want raspberries, said Bob. I want apples, says Pete. Pete, Bob, and Dad make a long list and take it to the supermarket. Oh no! The wind blows the list out of Dad's hands. It's cool, says Pete. I remember the list. I do too, says Bob. First, they stop in aisle 10. The sign says dairy. We need milk, says Pete. And cheese, said Bob, the stinky kind. Next, they go to aisle 9. Yum, says Dad. I love bacon. Don't forget the chicken, says Pete. We almost pass aisle 8 when Pete remembers eggs. Regular or jumbo? Asked Pete. Jumbo, said Dad. Groovy, says Pete. Bob can't pick between spaghetti and macaroni in aisle 7. How about bow ties? Asked Dad. Awesome, says Bob. Aisle 6 smells fruity. Remember the apples, says Pete. Remember the raspberries, says Bob. In aisle 5, Dad tastes a hot dog. Yummy. In aisle 4, Pete tastes a cupcake. Sweet. Dad lets Pete and Bob choose a treat in aisle 3. Pete picks crackers shaped like fish. Bob picks popcorn. Brr, it's cold in aisle 2. Dad puts mango popsicles in the cart. Aisle 1 has sunflowers, tulips, and blue daisies. Pete and Bob pick tulips for Grandma. She'll love them, says Dad. I think we got everything except the fish, says Dad. But their car is packed with yummy treats. Next time. So I hope you enjoyed the story, guys. See you next time. Please like and subscribe for more fun.